Hey there, YouTubers, it's me, Virginia. Just thought I would pop in Facebook messages, say hello, let you know that I'm still here, and I'm going to try and keep my promise updates. And I don't know what else I'm going to talk about, but I just feel that now that I'm feeling better, I need to make more of an appearance. My last weigh-in was 165, 66. It fluctuates constantly. I really want to try and lose this last 20 pounds, and I'm bound determined to do it before the end of the year. And hey, a big shout out to everyone that's having plastic surgery right now and getting all that excess skin cut off. You guys are doing awesome. Allison, Little Tiny, True to Heart, I'm sorry. Awesome, you guys are doing great. Something I don't think I'll ever do, which is okay. I think if I had a real excess amount, then I would probably want to do that. I would love to have my thighs done, but never mind. Enough surgeries in my history. I don't want to go anymore. Had a new baby boy. My son Brian his wife had a baby boy on July 6th, 10 days old today, and I'm real proud of him. If you follow me on Facebook, Virginia Cooper, you can see pictures of little Samuel Ty. I'm probably the only one that calls him Sammy. We're doing good. I'm doing good. Still baking. Our garden is growing. We get fresh tomatoes every night. We got corn growing, lettuce. I always think of Tara when it comes to garden growing, because she's the queen of it. And she eats the way I like to eat. Living here in Kingman, it's extremely difficult to eat healthy, real good, wholesome foods. We only have Safeway, and that's, if we're lucky, we get some good organic stuff there. What else? Lots of babies also born to our community. I think it's awesome. Ladies losing weight and getting rid of that PCOS, or at least calming it down so you can have babies. Danielle, big shout out to you. I hope you're doing well. You sound good. You look great. Allison, I think I mentioned her already. She's fabulous. 21 pounds. That is just something else. I got my Wii out. I've been getting a little more active with it, and I'm hoping to get my husband and I more active in it. Tonight we're going to go out for dinner, and yesterday was his birthday. Had family over, and that was really nice. So I guess that's it. I just wanted to jump in here and say hello, and I still have every intentions on doing my baking videos with my bread. I'm just now really starting to get in with things. I had my granddaughter, my 14-year-old granddaughter here for 2 weeks, month before last. About the last 8 weeks, everything's been really hectic. She was with us for a couple of weeks, and then my daughter brought her twins down for a week. They stayed with us, and then she came with 3 more of her kids, so we had 5 kids in the house. So it's been pretty hectic around here. I've really had my share of kids, and I think I won't be lonely for my grandkids for a while, so that's really good. Next weekend we're going up to Phoenix to see my new grandbaby, and I can't wait for that. So anyhow, big shout out to all my YouTube friends. Janie, I'm going to do my dancing video probably, I don't know, maybe tonight or this weekend, or Saturday. I think you wanted it real quick like. I promised to get that out to you, and I guess that's it. I've been trying to follow everyone as much as I can. Everyone's doing great. So that's it. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll catch you later.